worksheet for today. We are at supposed to attend lesson 53. We are already at week 37 towards the end of the year already, you know. Okay. So the learning objective for today is to prepare you for your year-end exam. All right. So first question, I want everyone to participate through the chat function now. Quickly one, chat function. Oh dear, where's my chat function? Okay. Question 1. How many tens are there in 840,000? So you just have to divide this by 10. To divide this by 10, you just do a very shortcut. Yes, very easy. 1, 2, 3. So this is portion D. Okay, next question. The diagram shows a man standing next to a desk, and which one could be a possible height. So they're asking you for the possibility answer. So various one will have a lot of distractor here. So first thing first is they're all in common unit. Very good. So common unit is easy for you to compare. So you must understand approximation. Where is this called the length of it, you see? So which of the following could be the height? Now 16 cm is within this hand span. So 16 cm is out. 6 cm is definitely out. So you cross out the impossibles one. Now, so you come and think of it. 1600 is almost equal to 16 meter. For you to measure a 16 meter is like your table, you know. A 1 meter table is quite big. Okay, huge. So can a man be 16 times of what you are measuring or not? Impossible, right? So you just cross it, and 160 is the correct answer. Now, probably for your height P5, it will be about this height. So you'll be knowing that some of them were at 150 cm to 160 cm. Possible, okay? All right. Or a P5 lah, okay? Maybe a P5 boy, a P5 girl. Okay? Find the answer for this. Okay, 74. Marissa and Jessie, can you help yourself with your turning on your video? Jianing also turn on your video. Okay, now what do we call this? It's called the OOO. Who can tell me what it's called OOO? We learned this before last time. I'm not too sure whether this class. Okay, thank you. Most of them did C correct already last question. What do you learn from OOO? What is OOO? Anyone knows? OOO stands for order of what? Anyone knows the answer? Order of operation. Okay, so order of operation, divide, times, plus, and divide. Okay, sorry, plus and minus. Okay, so now you have this thing first. Okay, 25 minus 9. So you now have to do from left to right, lor. So you can do this first. 74, this one will be 9, 6, 49. 74 minus this, minus 9, minus 6. Then you do this, you should get 34. Okay, C, 34. All right. Which of the following has more than one line of symmetry? Okay, so you have A, B, C, or D. Line of symmetry, one more than one line, is it? More than one line, then you do this. Okay, this is only one line, the rest cannot. Now, this is definitely a parallelogram. Don't need to write, don't need to even cut, don't need to paste, don't need to fold. Don't even think of parallelogram. There is no line of symmetry. Okay, for this one, you have only one line of symmetry. Yes. For triangle, you can have very obvious one. Characteristics is this is an equilateral triangle. So this one can have this so-called line of symmetry. So this one have three lines. So only the equilateral triangle, yes. So this one don't have. This one, okay, maybe I shouldn't say don't have lah. This is one line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, three line of symmetry. So because he say more than one. Okay, D. Next question. 0.54. Express this as a percentage. So we said when a decimal, you change it to a fraction. So when there's a fraction, it will be 54 over 100. So when you have 54 over 100, you must reduce them. No, don't need to reduce. They want percentage. Okay, so if you want to change it to percentage, then you have to multiply by 100%, which will give you 54%. Okay, which is C. Very good. Hey, getting lesser response, those who didn't respond. Okay, I know who you are who don't respond, you know. Okay, key in your answer here because many of them didn't do. So I want you to participate here. Not enough. Why only Marissa and Gerald? Then what about the rest? In total, I should have 8 of them, right? Why only 2 responses? If not, then I will call name. Okay. The diagram is made up of a rhombus, PQRS, rhombus. Now, in the first place, the week before, we already learned rhombus has 4 equal sides. Opposite angles are equal, and they can form 2 isosceles triangle. So that is about rhombus. Okay, I repeat. You have 4 equal sides. Okay, then opposite angles are equal. Then we have 2 isosceles triangle. Okay, then now trapezium of QTUR is a trapezium. So that means this pair of lines are parallel. Okay, so you know that there is an isosceles triangle here. Where? Here and here. This is isosceles, right? So you can do something here. The base angles must be the same. When this is 39, here must also be 39 degree. So you can now find the third angle, 180 minus 39 minus 39. 102 degree. So when this is 102 degree, you can find angle P already because this is also 102 degree. Why is it so? Because they have corresponding angle. If you look at shortcut, let me explain this. Okay, now what happens if you have this and this parallel line? Then you can see that this angle is corresponding to, let me check, this one. This one must be equal to this one, right now. Okay, so then the green angle, this one must be equal to this one. Correct. So now the thing is, I am using red to circle. Since this is 102, here must also be 102 because they are so-called corresponding angles to each other. Okay, so they must be the same. Wow, Thank you, Marisa. Mm. Oh, so fast eh. You know, you see your classmate go in to the system and then finish the worksheet already. Ayo, so lovely. Hmm. Yeah, lah, so now you have time. You see, you take less than what? Less than 10, 15 minutes, you can finish up. Okay? But so yeah, lor, set aside time lah. That's what I say, huh? This is C. Okay, let me check. You consider very good lah. Okay, so next time you know what to do, lor, huh? Okay, so let's check. Uh-huh. Okay, next one. Question 7. What is the maximum number? Read maximum number 4 centimeter cube. Zachary can cut from a plastic cardboard that has this measurement. Now, who can tell me what method have we learned before? There is a unique method to this. Wait, let me ask this question. I have a unique method name. To do this question. Question 7. Okay. Now my question is, what is it? Okay. Anyone who, oh, you don't know Ah, uh, do you remember I say Q? Okay, I type it in the chat. See whether does it sound. Do you remember this? Yeah, correct. You are right. Thank you, Kaihan. We call this the QR code. Did I cover this before? Don't scare me, leh. Answer this question. Maybe I do this, okay? I create a poll here. Okay, read this. So my question to you is question 7, using QR. Okay, the choice one is okay. Then this one will be, yeah. I throw this question to you all. Okay. Let me launch this. I should have how many responses in R? You see, I get responses already. I should have 9. Come on. Ayo. The teacher refers to me, not your school teacher, because your school teacher don't use QR code.